Rubik's Cube. So I have Rubik's Cube right. Oh, I'm getting from my pocket. Okay, there we go. So I have a Rubik's Cube that's scattered over here. I'm going to try and scroll it. So let's see. Okay, when I'm ready, I'll say go, and a timer should start somewhere around the screen. So let's see. Good, I'm ready. Timer. Done. Stop. Good. So I was able to completely solve the cube. And if you want to learn how to solve the cube for yourself, just click on the card above this video and you'll learn how to solve the cube. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and go solve the cube.